Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by enabling keyboard support in your browser or OS because focus behavior depends on it. Press Tab to move forward and Shift plus Tab to move back. Use Enter to activate links and space to toggle buttons. Once done, scan the page using Tab to find navigation landmarks like menus, search, and main content. Make sure to note where focus lands. This tells you the site's logical order and why certain keys will reach things faster when you proceed. Now, practice moving precisely. Use arrow keys to step through menu items and list controls because they change selection without losing context. Press Home or End to jump to list boundaries. This saves time when lists are long. For larger jumps, use Control or Command modifiers with arrow or page up / page down to move between sections quickly. As you press, listen or watch for focus outlines and live region updates, since they explain why content changed and confirm your action succeeded. To finish tasks, activate controls with Enter or Space. Enter usually submits forms, while Space toggles checkboxes and buttons. Be aware because behavior can differ. Use Escape to close modals or exit menus, and then Tab to confirm focus, return to a logical spot. If focus skips elements or keys do nothing, inspect Tab Index and ensure no elements are inert. Also recheck browser accessibility settings. One key troubleshooting tip: reload with extensions disabled, because some extensions block focus management and cause unexpected failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.